back home. Gonna jump on the freeway, try to do a little pull. So just gonna let it roll, and yeah, let's see. There's one place where I can do a pull just to hear it sing, but right here it's just all traffic. Freaking sucks. There's a lot of guys like in New York and you know, out in Texas, Florida, who do like POV videos, but they don't have traffic like LA. Let me get over. This is Lancer right here. Man, that one is clapped out. All right, well, I'm gonna bring it back when it starts to get better. So sweet. I like it because it's not fast, but like swimming through traffic, it still has a potential to like give you that like, oh shit, that adrenaline. Unlike what I had with the DC2, it just didn't have it. But even though this car, I think it's considered tired, it still has it. And best bang for buck right now. Snatch these before they go up, because you could still get a Type S kind of cheap. Now look, it's back to all this other traffic. All right guys, so here's the car. Just cleaned it up, and that's the repair. It's partly cloudy. Well, actually it's kind of gloomy right now, so you're not gonna get really like the full effect of how it looks like, because metallics are different from old and new. And you can see how there's a line right here where I messed up at, and there's some like blotchiness right there, like where the darker fades into the lighter, but you'll never tell. So everything's been clear coated, that versus that. This is obviously the same color. This just has a newer, nicer clear coat. As far as the repair, there is a slight dip. I only kept the repair very small, as you've seen. I didn't want to sand everything out. I wanted to keep the blend as small as possible, which my goal was to go this big as far as the blend, but I ended up going this big because it turned out to be a huge fail. But yeah, don't mind my smashed finger. That looks pretty gross. But yeah, so there she is right there. Looks pretty dang nice. It's a little wet still. I'm gonna be changing the caliper color. I'm just gonna go with a silver, a gloss silver, or like gunmetal maybe, and I'm gonna get new tires. Well, I already have the tires. I'm just gonna put them on, but kind of embarrassing. So yeah, so there it is right there. So you can in fact do this with rattle can. Yeah, you could see that slight dip right there. But it's like nothing even happened, and it's super smooth. I'm very, very happy. Looks so nice. There's the blend right there. You could feel it, but you'll really never know it's there. And in some spots, like right here, you can't even feel it. The transition is just so slipped, rolled edge, which makes it mist inside there. Instead of giving a sharp, you know, paint line, it's just kind of like a fade. But yeah, so all along here is where new meets old, and you cannot tell at all. And if you feel it, you would never even tell either. And this is even before a light polish and some compound in this area, just to make that even more nice. But I'm actually not even going to wet sand this. This just looks fine how it is, but I'm gonna end up redoing this to match that, and I'll hit this up a little bit. But yeah, oh, and some overspray right there, gotta get that. Don't go with the razor blade, you'll scratch your glass. Just go with the solvent, and be careful with your paint. And I do have some dents all along here, as you guys probably spotted in the last video, and that was always there. I don't know how it got there. There's dents here, and there's dents, some dents up here, and they've just always been there, but it really never bothered me. Yeah, because I'm not like constantly hovering over the car. But yeah, so that's gonna be a little video. If you want to see more in the car, please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.